How do I pair my Oculus Quest 2 with my phone or other device?
Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to pair your Oculus Quest 2 with your phone or other device. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to establish a connection between your Oculus Quest 2 headset and your smartphone or another compatible device. Let's get started.
Enabling Bluetooth on your Oculus Quest 2.
To begin, we need to make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your Oculus Quest 2 headset. Follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Oculus Quest 2 headset. 2. Put on the headset and navigate to the settings menu using the built-in interface. 3. Scroll down and select Device. 4. In the Device menu, select Bluetooth. 5. Toggle the switch to enable Bluetooth.
Pairing your Oculus Quest 2 with your phone.
Now that Bluetooth is enabled on your Oculus Quest 2, let's proceed with pairing it with your phone. Here's what you need to do. 1. Grab your smartphone and go to the Settings menu. 2. Locate the Bluetooth settings on your phone and enable it. 3. On your Oculus Quest 2 headset, you should now see a list of available devices under the Bluetooth menu. 4. Locate your phone in the list of available devices and select it to initiate the pairing process. 5. Your phone may prompt you to enter a passcode or confirm a pairing request. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Congratulations! Your Oculus Quest 2 headset is now paired with your phone. This connection will allow you to perform various actions and control your headset using your smartphone.
Pairing your Oculus Quest 2 with other devices.
Apart from pairing with your phone, you can also connect your Oculus Quest 2 headset to other devices such as a PC or tablet. Here's how you can do it. 1. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on the device you want to pair with your Oculus Quest 2. 2. On your Oculus Quest 2 headset, navigate to the Bluetooth menu following the steps we mentioned earlier. 3. Look for the device you want to pair with under the list of available devices. 4. Select the device to initiate the pairing process. 5. Follow any on-screen prompts or instructions on both the Oculus Quest 2 and the device you're pairing with to complete the connection. Fantastic! You have successfully paired your Oculus Quest 2 with another device. Now you can enjoy extended functionality and control over your headset using the paired device. That wraps up our tutorial on how to pair your Oculus Quest 2 with your phone or other device. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the pairing process. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with your Oculus Quest 2.